Hello, my friends, your family doctor, Dr. AP. A young couple in the range of 24 to 26 years old, they fell in love with each other. Now, as usual, due to the obstacles, probably in the family, they decided to die. They both were at home. They took poison. After a couple of days, they decided to go to the hospital because nobody likes to die. They both were admitted in the hospital. Treatment started. The girl died. It was very difficult to save the boy. But somehow, the boy was saved. Lakhs and lakhs of rupees was spent in the treatment of the boy. Though they were not so rich. But mom, she had decided that I will sell everything, but I will save my son. He came out of the hospital. Doctors recommended them to take the boy to a good psychiatrist or a good doctor, but to start anti-psychiatric medicines, antidepressant medicines. He was in depression. My friends, but I don't know why. Somewhere they missed. They decided that they'll do the treatment later on. Because in India, people think that if you take psychiatric medicines, you'll get habituated. If you take sedative medicines, you'll get used to it. My God, I really hate this comment. I am fed up of explaining to the whole population that please take medicines if you have depression. If you are not able to sleep, take sedatives. My friends, within 1 month, that boy hanged himself. He did suicide. He hanged himself. He died this time. Now, my friends, within 1 month, the whole family is in panic. Somehow he was saved. Somehow he came out of the death. Again he went there. Only and only because he did not take these medicines. It's not like if you take the medicines, you will not die. See, my friends, but I am telling you, if you would have taken antidepressants, definitely, according to me, he would not have taken this drastic step so fast. He required counseling and medicines. Medicines are very important. Very important. Now people will say, oh my God, it was a real love. Real love. Man, he was obsessive. He had got obsession. Love is obsession. Remember one thing. The real love is of parents. The real love is of husband and wife. The real love is between their siblings. This young couple love, it is only obsession. Whether you want to say no to me, you say. But you're dying for a girl. She is gone. He was in depression. He required treatment, my friends. If you would have got the treatment, if you had got the counseling, he would not have died. He had got that obsession. He can't live without her. I can't live without her. I can't live. This is obsession. These Hindi movies have shown you that Sacha Pyar. What man? Sacha Pyar. This young generation is getting destroyed of these movies, and this next thing is mobile. People were used to be social earlier. They used to meet, gatherings, but now mobile. Only mobile. Full day mobile. Full night mobile. The brain is not working. Brain. This needs rest. This needs rest. It has gone. It's a request to all of you, if anyone in your family is in depression, please take medicines. Please take medicines. Medicines are superb. Psychiatric branch has flourished so much that it can handle big mad people now. Schizophrenia, depression, psychosis, maniac. It can handle. Superb medicines are there. Earlier it was not there. But now it has flourished. Psychiatric medicine, my God, don't go to the Babas. These people, man, in India still we believe in this, that ghost has come on top of him, See, if you want to believe you do, but please go to the doctor and take the opinion of doctor. Your life will be saved. And don't think of this habitual, I'll get used to it, later on we can't leave the medicines. Let it be. If you are living, only then everything will happen. That boy died. If you would have taken these medicines, he would not have died. When you live, only then he will not get habituated. If you are dead, what habitual? Think again what I am telling. Send this message to all over India, all over world, that if you have got problem of depression, don't leave medicines. And depression does not see caste. It does not see rich or poor. Depression is depression. It can happen to anyone. It is not like a disease of poor people or rich people or middle class people. In this climate or environment after COVID, maximum people have gone into depression. Maximum. We all require treatment now. So if you have any symptoms, signs, if you think, yes, I am not feeling well, I am thinking again and again, go to the psychiatrist, go to your doctor, go to a good doctor. He will give you medicines. My friends, today's topic, I am very sad that boy died. He could have lived. He was very young. My friends, till then it's a goodbye from Dr. AP. Please understand the message of this video. Spread it. We all need anti-psychiatric medicines, anti-depression medicines. If we are in depression, don't hesitate to take the medicines. Please don't feel shy. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.